Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and into this video we are going to do a little bit of photo manipulation like what you are seeing on your screen. Okay, you can see that part of this picture is blur and this other side is not. Okay, so you can see part of this picture looks darker while this other side is not. So we are going to try to recreate this, okay, using this picture, okay, the same picture. So once you are here, and if you are new to my channel anyway, I am Emma Graphics, and this is where we learn graphic design. All right, so subscribe to my channel and stick to the end of this video. Like and share these videos so that other people can benefit as well. So once you have your picture ready, so the next thing you are going to do, you are going to have it or duplicate the picture like this. Either you right click on it, you see copy, then you click outside, you see paste, and you have a duplicate. All right, or you come here, come to your file and click on copy. All right, click on edit and click on copy, and go back to edit and click on paste. All right, so once you have this, so the first thing you are going to do, you are going to come here and click on bitmap and click on mode, change this to grayscale, and then go back to effects and click on adjust. You come to brightness and contrast and reduce this contrast like this. All right, and click OK. And the next thing you are going to do, come to your text and just type 1. Okay, once you type 1, you will have something like this. All right, so now I'm going to change the fonts to impact. I prefer impact. All right, then centralize it. Okay, in the picture, I mean the background that we have. All right, so you can reduce this. I think it's too big. Okay, and centralize it, something like this. So you have something like this, guys. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to remove the outline, the black outline. So right click on this, right, just click on it, right click, and have this outline. You can see we have black outline, then the fill color has been removed. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give white outline, give the outline a white color. So now increase the outline width to, let's say, 2. Okay, and click on OK. You have something like this. Then duplicate this, and you can give it a black color so that you can see that this is a duplicate. So I said right click on it, you will see copy, and then click outside here, you will see paste. That's how you get a duplicate. So now click on this one, convert it to bitmap. All right, click here and convert it to bitmap 300 resolution. That's okay. Then go back to bitmap again and click on Gaussian block. I think 4 for the radius, you can leave it as 4.0 and click on OK. So once that is done, guys, centralize this. All right, or just centralize this particular one, the black one, with this white one. Just select 2 of them and press Ctrl, or just press C and press C and E. All right, to centralize it. Press C. Once 2 of them is selected, press C and E to centralize like this. All right, then also centralize this black one with this other one, C and E. All right, then click on this one, right click on it, and paste it inside of this power, clip it inside of this particular one. Sorry, send it to the back first. Send the black one to the back. Okay, send it to the back of everything. The back of this blue one. Send the black one to the back of this blue one. Then send this blue one. Now I click on this blue one. I click on it, and then click on power clip. Then click inside of this one. You have something like this. All right. Okay, now you can see that we have an outline here, black outline. So come here and right click to get rid of the outline. So as you can see that we have this white background here, and then the black is underneath. Okay, so once you do this, so the next thing you are going to do, just draw a rectangle or something like that here, something like rectangle, and leave it like this. Click on it and click on curve, right click on it and click on curve. Let me give it an outline so that you can see. So now click here and ensure that this is right at the edge of this other one, and do the same thing with this, okay, at the edge. Okay, now you can give it a white color and remove the outline, give it a white color, then come to your shape tool again and then drag it all the way like this. You also do the same thing like that. Try to align it, guys. I don't know how you're going to do it, but make sure it's aligned. All right, something like this, guys. So once you do that, right click on it, or just click on it and come to bitmap, convert it to bitmap. Okay, then click on bitmap again and click on blur, give it a Gaussian blur. Alright, so once you give it a Gaussian blur like this, something like this, alright, so you click on OK. I think it's too much. Click on OK, then come to your transparency tool. Remember, transparency tool is to reveal or hide part of an object. So we are going to reveal part of this downside like that, and yeah, something like this, guys. So we are going to reveal part of it like this. So you are going to have something like this, guys. Okay, something like this. Yeah, so this is fine. Okay, now bring this man somewhere here. All right, bring it down a little bit, then click here. All right, then press down your control key and drag down, then right click immediately to have a duplicate. Right, so we are going to use it to make a shadow. So just click on this particular one, and then click bitmap, and then click blur, give it a Gaussian blur. Okay, just to make a shadow down here. I think 9 is fine. Yeah, click on OK. Okay, so this is how we do a little bit of manipulation with this picture and this man. All right, so yeah, you can look at the city, look at the view. The man is standing right there looking at the view of the city while the other side is black. So that's what we were able to create today. So I don't know what you think. Drop it under the comment section. I will be happy to respond, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share so that other people can benefit from it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.